Hello everyone, welcome to GardenHula channel. Today I'm doing a video on how to make the Pandan Leaf tea. Come with me, I'll show you how the pandan plant look like. We have to cross over my papaya jungle. Oh. Alright, so this is the pandan plant. So actually just get one leaf so we can make the tea from it. Alright, this is the pandan leaf. This is a pandan plant. So maybe one, let me see, maybe a little more. Alright, just a little more. Sure can cut it. Now we have to cross my papaya jungle one more time to get back to our station for the tea. Alright, luckily we found our way back to our tea station. Alright, so in order for you to make the pandan tea, you need to have, well, pandan leaf, a hot water, a teapot and teacup. So let's do it. Let me cut the leaf in small pieces first. Let me fold it and do it quicker. So put everything in the pot. All right, now. So this is the hot water. Close the cap. Okay, just make sure the water is not spilled out. Alright, so now we put the water into the teapot. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, let the pot sit for like 10 minutes, and once we coming back. Alright folks, welcome back. 10 minutes passed. Now we have the tea ready. The pandan leaf, let's say in the Asia country, a lot of us using the color in the leaf to color our food. In order to do that, we have to extract the juice from the leaf, and we use the juice to color our food. So today we only do the tea, but in next video I'll do how to extract the juice from the leaf, and then we color our sticky rice. So the tea is ready after 10 minutes. Let me put in the cup. One for me, one for the cameraman. Alright, let's see. Let's taste it. Yes, you 100% sure can taste the flavor of the panda leaf. I cannot describe the flavor taste, but if you already taste them, you know exactly just by the first sip. That's all. That's all for today. Let's see how we make the tea from the Panda Leaf. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will see you soon. Have a good day and bye bye.